Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Apri Siswanto. I would like to present my article. The article will be published in Telkomnika journal. The title is Swarm Intelligence for Intrusion Detection System in Internet of Things environments. My name is Siswanto, and the team writing Akmar Efendi, Jaroji, and also Fajar Ratnawati. This presentation will be start with the introduction and followed by research method, and after that we will explain about the intrusion detection system, feature selection, and dataset. After that, we will explain about result discussion, and the last, we will explain about the conclusion of this article. The first is about the introduction. We will start about the IoT integration. We know that growing importance in sector like home automation, healthcare sector, and also in transformation sector, the growing very fast. Now we know the present past opportunities, the development sector in how automation, healthcare, and also in transportation have also opportunities, but also increased vulnerability to cyber attacks. So because the have vulnerability to cyber attacks, and also we have the security challenges. In the traditional methods, often inadequate for dynamic, decentralized IoT environment. So we need for innovative approach to secure IoT network. In this article, this research, we use the Swarm Intelligence to solve the problem in the IoT network, because we have inspired by the behavior of social space like birds, ants, and we know that the emphasize decentralized control, adaptability, and resilience. And also in this research, we use the Pigeon Inspired Optimization, this algorithm using the mimics Pigeon's navigation skills for optimal problem solving, and in this case, can enhance IDS with better accuracy, speed, and adaptability. And the research objective of this, in this article, we have the first is improve IDS effectiveness in detecting legitimate attack in IoT, Internet of Things. And the second is the leverage via algorithm and a Swarm Intelligence principle to strengthen IoT security. And the research method using in this article, we utilize Pigeon Inspired Optimization algorithm, and we have focused on feature selection for machine learning model in IDS for Internet of Things. I have cited the VOA algorithm. This algorithm inspired by Pigeon's navigation skill. Then also this algorithm optimize model performance by selecting the most informative feature. Features this few algorithm features represented as DAF, position and speed updated iteratively. The process of iteration in this algorithm, pigeons update their position and speed based on the predefined rules. Then about the performance access to optimize the model performance function. After that, we use the sigmoid activation function. This use in this method introduced to handle negative values in selected features, maps input values to rank of 0 to 1. Then also in the function of sigmoid activation is to ensure meaningful visualization for model performance. So we in this case we the enhance the IDS effectiveness via with sigmoid activation and ensure efficient accurate intrusion detection. The second is enable the model to adapt to evolving security threats in IoT environment, and also the IDS contribute to the overall safety and security of Internet of Things network. We have several related research, and we say that about the main paper in this research. The first is the importance of feature selection. We have the main paper is crucial for optimizing machine learning and predictive modeling performance. The resources, this researcher is Brownlee and Rahman to 2020. And also we have related research, feature selection in IDS for IoT. The first various methodologies proposed to enhance IDS performance. Pigeon Inspired Optimization highlight as an effective approach. We have two related research. The first is the title is an improved VOI feature selection algorithm for IT network intrusion. The researcher is Alganam et al. The second is feature selection using Pigeon Inspired optimized for IDS. The researcher is Azam, Sari, and Sabri, 2020. The contribution of our article, the first introduce sigmoid activation function in VIO algorithm. The second is ensure selected feature fall within the 0 to 1 rank, and the aim to improve IDS effectiveness in IoT environments. This the general outline of the PIO algorithm. The first is initialization. The second is map and compass operators or NCO. The third is landmark operator, and the last is convergent checks. About the intrusion detection system, what is the importance of IDS? The first is essential component of networking framework. The second is evolved significantly over the past 5 years to rising the security threats. And also we have several related research about the IDS. The first DDoS defines Zargar et al. Highlight challenge and need for effective detection and mitigation strategies. The second is feature and selection and SAM strategy. The writer is Han and Zhu. in this research improve accuracy and detection speed in IDS. This second related research, CNN in IDS, uh, the researcher is Hu et al. In this research provide the effective in large-scale network reduce false positive. And also the other research machine learning for DDoS, the researchers Algarvo et al. Improve detection accuracy compared to field research method. And the last research insight is deep learning vs classical machine learning. The researchers Rawat et al. 2022. And in this slide, we explain about the type of IDS. The type of IDS consists of two types. The first is network intrusion detection, or an EDS. The second is host intrusion detection system, or HIDS. Is where we have also the role of IDS in IoT. The first is critical important for monitor interconnected IoT device. Again, intrusion. We have challenge in IoT. The challenge is massive scale and security weakness make IoT device prime target. The function of IDS in IoT guard the integrity of sensitive data, learn on unauthorized access of or breach. Then we have also IoT security landscape. The first is fast interconnect network, and the second is about the data integrity. In this data integrity, to ensure the security of sensitive data across device like smart home system and healthcare monitoring. Feature selection. In the feature selection process, in Swarm Intelligence for IDS in IT environments, the first process is dataset selection, and the second is data sampling. The third is data processing, data pre-processing, and the next process is feature selection. In this feature selection is employed information method. Select highly informative feature to reduce dimensionality and improves IDS efficiency and accuracy. The next process is classification. In this classification process is develop IDS using selected feature and classify network traffic as normal or malicious. And the last process in feature selection is form analysis. In the form analysis is to evaluate IDS effectiveness using metric like accuracy, recall, and precision, and to ensure selected feature improve IDS performance. The pictures is explained about the feature selection process. Start data set, and after the data sampling process, data pre-processing, feature selection, classification, and get the result of the feature selection. What is the goal of the feature selection? The first is identify relevant feature to enhance the IDS efficiency. The second is to ensure classification of network traffic. And the third is development of robust and effective intrusion detection system through a careful feature selection and performance evaluation. The data set utilized in this study. The first is CIC IoT Dataset 20 and 23. This dataset developed by Canadian Institute for Cybersecurity. The second dataset is IoT dataset for IDS. We get the dataset from Kaggle, in the article of Al-Ho, Wait, and Al-Ismadi and Tang. about the concept of Swarm Intelligence, this concept derived from decentralized self-organized system in nature, like ant colonies and bird flocking. And this concept apply in optimizing algorithm like the PIO or Pigeon Inspired Optimization algorithm. Uh, in the PIO algorithm in feature selection, the mechanism each pigeon represent a feature seek out optimal feature combination, the strength of the PIO algorithm, effective in complex search space, adaptable to data change, and improve machine learning model effectiveness. And the application in VI algorithm used for optimizing feature selection in IDS model for IoT environments. Then about the modified PIO for feature selection with Sigma, the first a artificial neural network and PIO, the purpose of enhanced and predictive accuracy, and in the process feature selection focus to computational power on or relevant attributes, resource data, dimensionality. And the result about the research, we have compare about the PIO and sigmoid PIO. In the sigmoid PIO, we have the result higher true positive rate. This is the number result, and in the sigmoid PIO improve the accuracy, then also enhance the F score. And in the PIO, the true positive rates, this one, the number, we can see on the table the comparison of PIO and sigmoid PIO. And the conclusion of this table, sigmoid PIO outperform PIO in accuracy and F score. In the second tables, we can also have the information for the comparison sigmoid PIO and PIO. Then we also check the true positive rates. This is the higher, and the as also in the false positive rates, segment PIO also more high in the accuracy also and the scores. So the conclusion of the second table, despite higher false positive rates, simply improve overall performance. So the conclusion of the research, comparison of PIO and PIO methods, segment PIO methods performance achieve higher true positive rate compared to PIO, and also consistent better result but CIC IoT dataset and the IoT data for IDS. The significance of this research improve detection, more effective and correct identifying through intrusion, and also can enhance security, crucial for robust intrusion detection. It is in IT environment. We have the conclusion. Swarm Intelligence sigmoid PIO is a full-level tool for improving intrusion detection in IoT, and we have recommendation. The recommendation is consideration of sigmoid PIO for enhanced IDS in IoT application. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.